Howdy friends! Come and join me. Let's draw and color Marge Simpson, the super sweet mom from The Simpsons. Let's learn together. Marge is known for her tall blue hair and her kind, caring heart. She has a kind heart and always tries to keep her family safe and happy. Marge is very patient, even with Homer's funny mistakes. Marge has really tall, blue hair that's shaped like a tower. Let's make her hair look just like a tower. She's a really good cook and makes delicious meals for the whole family. Her favorite food is pork chops, and she loves cooking for her family. She loves painting and once dreamed of becoming an artist. Marge has a beautiful singing voice and sometimes sings in the church choir. Do you know what color Marge's dress is? Yes, light green. We'll save that for coloring, but let's sketch her dress shape now. She's very close to her sisters, Patty and Selma. Marge doesn't like when Bart or Homer get into trouble, but she's always there to help them out. Great job! Look at Marge! She's looking fantastic! It's time to add some colors to make her really shine. Take out your markers or crayons and let's make Marge as colorful as she is on the show. What color is Marge's hair? That's right. Blue. Who's Marge's husband? That is correct. It's Homer. Do you know what Marge likes to cook? Pork chops. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Can you guess what Marge dreamed of being? An artist. Do you like drawing too? Marge has two sisters named Patty and Selma. Do you have any sisters or brothers? That is nice. What's one thing Marge loves to do? Write. Sing. Marge is always there to help Bart and Lisa. Do you have someone who helps you when you need it? You are a lucky one. So nice! Our Marge Simpson drawing is complete. Doesn't she look wonderful? We've done an amazing job today. Can't wait to draw together again soon. Until next time, Pinky Artists.